How to write a rap like Eminem using AI in few minutes. Now let's jump straight into the process. After you log into AI ChatGPT, this kind of page will appear. At the bottom side, you can see this chat box. Over here, you will need to write a rap song. Also, you can give a topic. On topic love, and you can just click on this arrow. Now within few seconds your rap song will be ready. You just have to wait for a few seconds and your rap will be ready. You can see that mine is ready. Also, if you're not satisfied with this one, you can just click on this icon and it will regenerate new rap song for you. I hope now you guys are clear about how to write a rap song like Eminem using AI in few minutes. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.